couple of years, Chef Ara Zada has been helping us celebrate Armenian Heritage Month in his unique way with his unique dishes, right? You always do a little twist, which we like.
Always a little spin.
So you are back to feed us, but before we get to the delicious food we're smelling, we got to congratulate you officially.
Thank you.
On your epic wedding.
Epic.
Yes. The family out.
Gosh.
Tell us who we have here.
So that's my beautiful wife, Diana, and then our 4 kids, Zach, Tessa, Alexander, and Olivia.
What a gorgeous family.
Yes, thank you.
Tell us where you are exactly, because this is impressive.
So we are at the top of Mammoth Mountain, and we got married there, and after we did our vows, we snowboarded down.
Oh, that's wild.
Yes.
Oh my God.
As one does.
Naturally, right?
Oh, only 12,000 feet elevation,
Yes.
right?
Your wife is an angel.
She is.
No angel.
I would have pushed you down that mountain by yourself. Look at them.
She's like,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
Shredding. Whoa.
That's
cool.
Shredding.
This is, I'm speechless.
Yeah.
Shredding after the wedding. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
I was going to say smooching and shredding. Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh. All right,
Yes.
well, congratulations.
Thank you
We love
so
it.
much. I
We love
appreciate it.
All right, so fill us in. What's going on with you? What have you been up to?
So, I've been all over the place,
Yes.
all over the world, all over doing everything all at once. And
Yes.
I try to fill my life with that. But today, what I brought you guys is Ikra.
Okay.
So Ikra is, which is right here, it's eggplant caviar is what we call it. Right?
Wow.
I also have some of my spice rubs and a couple different things that I will show you. But I'll show you, this is a simple dish. It's incredibly easy to make. Most people, you know, buy this from a store. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is.
Okay.
I have right here some fire roasted fruits. They're not vegetables, they're seeds inside.
No, they're vegetables.
No, these are fruits.
Eggplant.
So if there is there are seeds inside.
I know the rules, but it just, to me, okay.
You're like, if it's not sweet, then it's a vegetable. I got you. All right, my kids think the same way, but no, these are fruits.
Okay, and then you take
So
the
you just
skin
peel
off.
it. So like, you know, you would peel it just like have you.
Oh, wow.
You know what I mean?
Paper thin.
There, see?
Because it's fire
You're like
roasted,
a pro.
right?
Well, because I do this.
This is so healthy.
It is absolutely healthy.
All vegetarian?
It's completely it's actually vegan.
Vegan?
Yeah,
Wow.
so this would have been good for, you know, Lent, before Easter. This would work. See?
See,
Pro.
peel it
You're a
off.
little
Yes.
Because I do it all the time.
And then what we do is we chop up all the veg. Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
You do it. You're better with the knife.
Here we go. So we're going to hit one of those.
Nice.
And then we're just going to cut this up.
You do that so seamlessly.
You know, it's the reason why I started cooking, and I just wanted to do this.
Because you like to play with knives.
Exactly. I wanted to be like Peter Pan, and my mom said the only way to do it was to actually cook. The only way I could touch a knife was to actually cook. So we're just going to kind of give all these things a rough chop. Super simple.
Have we seasoned it yet or no?
Right now, no.
Okay.
Right now, and you'll see the seasoning is actually super simple.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay? We're going to go, here,
that
you need
for
that?
me. Thank you.
There you go. So we're going to take all of this, and this is going right into our caramelized onions.
Okay.
So we got onions that are actually working a little bit.
Oh, I smell it already.
Yeah, that's
Right?
great.
Wow.
You're going to cook all this down. I'm going to use this towel. This is a community towel now. All right?
Yes.
And then in it, we're going to hit it with a little bit of pepper paste.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Hit it.
A little pepper paste. You're going to go with a little bit of garlic.
Okay.
Okay? And then,
any?
yes, absolutely. The salt, a healthy pinch, just a little bit. Like that. Yeah,
like your
always
style.
measured.
Good for you.
Always
Who taught you
measured.
how to cook?
You know, my grandma and my mom were like my inspiration for cooking.
I love that.
I'd always sit and watch them. They'd always feed me. I'm very happy about that.
Yeah.
And I kind of just learned from them, and then eventually went to culinary school and refined the skills. And I kind of learned from everywhere I go. I don't think that a specific person can teach you how to cook. I think it's important to just absorb from everyone.
Inspired by
All over the world, little villages.
Yeah.
Old grandmas in there.
Good food too.
Exactly.
Know how to cook it.
Is that a
Exactly.
spicy pepper paste?
So this is a mild pepper paste,
Thank you.
but you can ramp it up however you want.
Okay.
That's the best part of it.
That smells
so
so
this
good,
will just kind of cook down, and maybe 10, 15 minutes, once it's all solid, you kind of push it all down like this, mash it up, and it'll turn
Into that.
into this, which is Ikra.
Dip it and tell people how do you eat this?
So this will be served here. We'll get some of our nice tufayan lavash here, right? Lavash with everything. Lavash is life. You can grab it.
Which is also your book, right?
Lavash is the book. We went around Armenia, village to village, gathering recipes, and wrote this book.
It is a blanket.
So it is like a blanket. So you would take it. Oh, you can get some here.
What is at the heart of every Armenian table, my friend?
Lavash.
Lavash.
Exactly.
You eat lavash with lavash. Like, that's how important lavash is.
Yeah, we wrap our babies in lavash. Right? That's how we do it. So you just take it, right? And then you just grab a little piece like that.
Okay.
It's like a dip.
Okay, so you rip it out. You rip it.
What about the cucumber that I took?
So the cucumber.
You could do that, I guess.
This cucumber over here. So I have my Aleppo lemon pepper seasoning here.
Okay.
All right. These are my spice rubs. You can shake that right on top of the cucumbers, on the tomatoes. Put it on whatever you want.
Oh, tell everyone. But congratulations, by the way, on your spices.
Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, we got 3 new spice rubs out. We have the Khorovats rub.
So good.
Oh my gosh.
Which is more like a kebab rub. I call it my all-purpose rub.
Khorovats.
Khorovats. Say it right. Can you say it? Can you say Khorovats? Yeah, you got it.
No.
And then we have a Basturma rub, which is arguably one of the greatest deli meats of all time, right? It's cured meat.
You guys have had it. You just don't remember.
You don't remember it.
Yeah.
I think I brought it last
Delicious.
time.
I think,
Everything you
brought it
make
last
is
time.
so good.
And then, so I made a Basturma Cheeseball. I got Buregs, also known as khachapuri, with the Basturma cheese inside. I have, it's covered by a lavash. You can unveil it. Unveil.
Oh my gosh.
Aleppo lemon pepper chicken wings.
Oh my
right?
goodness. Yeah, this seasoning
very
is so
versatile.
good.
You know, the rubs you can use pretty much on anything.
Where can people get your rubs?
You can get them on my website, www.arazada.com. Also, you can get them at John's right now, and we'll be in John's supermarkets, so it'll be available in many more stores.
Can we have this fresh one?
Yeah.
Okay, girl.
Yes. She's like, I want the hot one.
Yeah, just a little, just a little.
Here it is.
Okay, I'm curious about your Basturma, what is that, cheeseball?
So, there we go. Is there? Boom. Okay, so the Basturma Cheeseball.
Let's try that.
I do want to try
This, here, let's grab it. Essentially.
Whoa.
Sandra?
How do you
just
So literally dip in. It might be a little, Grace, there you go. So if you look inside.
What kind of cheese is
Oh my gosh.
So there's feta in there, there's lebni in there, and then different seasonings.
Turn it so people can
And then my son Zach actually helped me make that. He really wanted me to point that out, so shout out to my son
That is
Zach.
delicious.
This is so
spice
good.
Super pumped.
so good.
Super pumped.
That is a great, I love it.
Right?
Drop the
Super Bowl
recipe for that.
appetizer.
Yeah, that's a
No,
good
seriously,
recipe.
what's the
I need the recipe for that.
So on my IG, I have all the recipes, everything that you want to see. I post a new video every day, and all the recipes are up there.
Can you leave
need
that
that.
one?
This is yours
really
now.
good.
Whoa.
My gift to you.
Thank you. Leave it here, close to me, please.
That's so
I want you to talk about how, when you make food, people are always like, wait, that's ours, and this is ours, and different cultures fight about who came up with what first. You have a great message about food.
So I believe that food is art. Food is like a canvas. And I don't think that anybody should claim certain foods. I think that it should be, ingredients are kind of like pieces to a puzzle or paint on a canvas. So there's no real definition of like, this is ours, this is mine, this is yours. And everybody should actually blend different cuisines and different styles together to create new forms of art, which are all beautiful.
I love that.
That's your next
a
book.
great message.
Right?
Our Armenian.
Our Armenian. Yes. Actually, I'm working on a new book right now.
Yay!
So,
You're going to come back.
I will be back.
What is it, Lavash 2?
No, it's probably going to be called the LA Armenian.
I love that.
Yes.
Araksya has to be in that.
Please bring
Yes.
cheese again.
Yes.
Thank you so much, my friend, for coming.
Thank
Don't
you for
forget to
having me.
follow Ara on Instagram and on YouTube. What's your handle? Ara Zada?
Ara Zada or Chef Ara Zada.
So good.
All the social medias. All of them.
This spice is amazing.
Oh, it's right on your screen.
Congratulations. Yeah,
see?
go get his
It's there.
spices.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
This-
So good.
this
Delicious.
This cheese.
So this spice
No,
is
it's
here?
the spice.
Yes.
Oh,
No, that one, sorry.
Basturma.
The Basturma one, that's this
Well,
one.
it's the spice.
The
Yes,
Bastur.
all the
That's
Wow.
one.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Yes.
Yep. So good. Congrats.
Thank you.